Love makes us do crazy things. Oh, it's Robert! Good morning, Robert. Hi, girls. He said that to me. That's nonsense. Anyway, I have a little surprise for him. Now he'll understand everything and we will be together. We'll see about that. Looks like Kaya and Amanda decided that handsome Robert's heart must belong to one of them. Well, let's see which of the girls wins. Done! My car! What have you done with it? Why? Oops! It seems the girls have been trying too hard. Well, it's another meeting of nerds. I think I have an idea. Hope Kaya will have a great time. SMS from Robert. He asked me out on a date? Yay! I'm on my way, darling. Do we need this formula? We need all the formulas. Robert? Oh no! This is a trap! Wow! Fresh blood! Looks like Amanda's prank worked even better than she had bargained for. Welcome to the Club of True Scientists, Kaya! My locker is on fire! Quick! I have to save my lunch! Kaya? Surprise! I will take my revenge on you! So, the king of our ball is Robert! My congratulations! Thank you! It is a great honor! I can't say that this is unexpected, but I'm still pleased! Oh, he is so cute! Thanks to everyone who voted for me! Okay, that's enough. It's time to find out who will be the queen. And this is Amanda! Yay! Where is my crown? Should I put it on by myself? Hey, give me my crown! What have you done to it? I won't give up so easily. As a queen, I'm always ready for the insidious tricks of my subjects. Kaya left her smartphone there. Cool! This is just what I need. Well, let's see. A few more names. Done! And I say, why do I need this biology? I'm not going to become a biologist. Never mind. I'd better become a racer. Someone is calling you again. That's weird. Now where was I? You know, Kaya, I see you are too sociable for me. Ha! Well, it looks like Amanda's plan is working. You're welcome. Robert, don't worry. I'll help you. Right. What next? I can't hear you. Pendants. Oh, this foxy Amanda. Independence. I need to teach her a lesson. Oh, I know. Who blew up? Oh no. I could have a heart attack. It seems that they both lost this battle. again. Well, that's nothing. I have a great idea. All is ready. Let's see what you say to that, my dears. Thanks for helping me, Robert. I deserve a kiss. True. Wait a minute. I need to grab my notes. Let's go to the canteen together? Okay. Do you want to drink? No thanks. I don't want to spoil my appetite. Robert, look, there's a letter here. That's interesting. What? We are brother and sister? Oh, yuck! Oh, if they only knew that the test is just a fake. Well, these girls are ready to do everything to get Robert's attention. Hey, hello! Hi, Robert! Girls, I'm trusting you with my car. Wash it properly. It will shine better than a new one. Robert is so wonderful. That's right. Oh, here he is. I'm sure Robert will be angry when he sees her. Amanda, let me out! This is not fair. Everything is ready. The car is perfectly clean. Thank you, Amanda. Great job. Bye, Robert. I hope you will appreciate my present. Oh, Kaya. What are you doing here? Are you all right? Let me help you. Well, the girls clearly did not expect such a turn of events. How could this happen? Poor girl! Robert, would you like to see my cat? Of course! They are so sweet! I don't like that. Robert should be mine. What way of showing love can be better than to present a sweet gift? But it's not that simple if you and your friend are fighting for the same guy's attention. You'll definitely like it! Ew, such a cliche. Just wait, I'm gonna do something more original. Great! Robert will remember such a present from Amanda for a long time. Don't peep, Robert. This is for you. What? That's disgusting. But it's not mine. All is fair in love and war, my friend. Hi, Robert. I have something for you. Here you are. A perfume? For me? Thank you! This is so nice of you. I love it. I should repay you somehow. I know. Let me buy you coffee. Come with me. Are they gone? Great! It's time to add some bright colors to their relationship. Done! You even got the scent right. The Ladies' Man is my favorite perfume. You know what? I'm going to use it right now. Oh no! Robert! Your t-shirt! What? You can have this cheap knockoff to yourself. Yes! It worked! That's it. Let Robert finally decide it himself. And no doubt he will choose me. No! Robert, who do you like more? Me or Amanda? Calm down, girls. Calm down. Come on, I'll show you something. This is my one and only love. Miss Mitchell? Are you serious? Sorry, the heart wants what it wants. Did you like our video? Then like it, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click on the bell